I'm Dingle D, and in today's video, I finished prepping the frame on the Astro. Be sure to subscribe to follow along with this truly one-of-a-kind Astro Foamie camper build. Let's get to it. I've removed the remainder of the flooring and trimmed parts of the flimsy framing in order to fit the new framing supports, which I've cut from this rectangular tubing. Now this is a good looking weld. I'm going to paint over all the rusty spots. This is the product that I'm using. Paint over Rust 15. Rust preventative permanent coating. Paint directly over rust. I've chosen to only paint the uppermost section of the frame for the sake of time. We can always come back later and finish up painting. Now we can get to the fun part, the foam. 27 sheets of XPS foam strut for the back of this little girl. Oh wow. This is living life right here. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Astrolander. During our next episode, we will be going from frame to foam. What a huge step. Special shout out to Patreon supporter Bob. If you'd like to join Bob and be a paid Patreon supporter, check out my Patreon page. It really helps make these videos possible. See you next time.